Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. So simple and easy way. Click the area where you want to insert hyperlink. Click on insert and click on link. Here guys you will see the options link to exiting file or web page, place in this document, create a new document, email address. So select any options which you like exiting file or web page, text to display, click here. Now you can select any exiting file. It can be video file, image, or any Excel worksheet or any document. I want to select that this MP4 video. So you can select any document. Then click on OK. Now click anywhere. So you will see this option. Just click on it. Second option, link. Now here, enter any website address. Then click on OK. Now click on it. So this way you can add any website address. Click on link. Another option, place in this document. Select it and select any option. Then click on OK. Now click on it. So this is the way guys, and you can try some more options by clicking here link and create a new document. You can select this option, name for new document. Here you can see the path, when to edit the new document later, or you can select this one. And also in the last, email address. So email address, subject, and recently used email addresses you will find here. Then click on OK. So click anywhere and link. Type in display text. Now here enter the email address. Subject. Here you will see recently used email addresses. Then click on OK. You can select direct that one and click on OK. Now click on it. So thanks for watching guys. This is the way you can create a hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. Share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. If you're facing any problem or just you need some more information, so comment. I will try to reply it.